Hello lovely friends, my name is Mommy Bitch. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making garlic and ginger paste. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So these are my ginger, my garlic. Everything we are going to do today is 100% the ingredients. The only thing we'll be adding to the ginger and garlic is just the oil and the salt, which is served as a preservative. That is, they will serve to preserve your ginger and garlic. So that's it. I'm done peeling my ginger, but I'm going to show you how to peel the garlic in case you are having trouble peeling it. When you cut off the hard part of the garlic, which is the head, you use your hand or your knife or whatever you have to peel the skin off, thereby exposing your clean garlic. And that is it. Blending of or grinding of this ginger and garlic paste requires no water. You don't need to add any water. The only thing you add to this ginger and garlic is the oil and salt, which will serve as a preservative for the garlic and ginger. If you are going to use your blender to blend it or to grind it, you add it a little bit at a time because you don't need water to blend it or to grind it in your blender. You just have to add in a little quantity so that the blender can blend it easily. And that is it. I'll be using my food processor to blend the ginger and the garlic. Right now I'm cutting the ginger into smaller sizes so that it can go faster or blend faster or grind faster in the food processor. Thank you very much, my watchers, my friends, everybody out there that is watching my video. I thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Sometimes I don't know how to thank you people for all your support. Honestly, I'm really grateful. Like, my heart is full of joy when I come to my YouTube studio and see that people are actually watching my video. It makes all the effort I'm putting towards my channel worth it. I'm really grateful. Okay, so I'm done chopping or cutting the ginger. Now I'm going to add my garlic to the food processor. That's my 1/3 cup of oil. This 1/3 cup of oil is the oil I used for the garlic. After blending it, I added the rest on the top of the garlic to preserve it. That is, when I added the garlic after blending, when I added the garlic to the bottle where I want it to stay or to be preserved, you have to sprinkle or pour in some quantity of oil on the top, on the surface. My garlic should be smooth by now, but before I bring it off the processor, I have to add the salt that will serve as a preservative. I use half tablespoon of salt. The quantity of salt depends on the quantity of the garlic or the ginger you are grinding. That determines the quantity of salt to use. I'm going to grind it one more time, then I'll take it off the processor because the garlic is already very smooth. Now all I have to do is to get a clean container, and put the garlic paste in it. Don't forget that you are going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or 2 tablespoons of oil on the surface of the garlic paste. That's after putting it in the container. Now to the ginger. After pouring it in, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Then I'm going to grind it. The ginger is almost there. Right now I'm going to add the salt. Remember, we made use of half tablespoon of salt. You can use more, you can use less for yours. So the ginger is ready. I'm going to put it in a container I desire for it to be in, and don't forget to put oil on the surface of either the ginger or the garlic. Make sure you put oil on the surface of it. This preserve the ginger and garlic. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? It's going to help me grow more. Thank you so much for all your support. I'm going to show you the end product now. Just look at how smooth and how fine this thing is, this garlic is. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.